Always remember why you started. That is how I get out of the funk of being discouraged.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.
This YouTube stuff is easy. I post a video, I don't know what I'm doing, and I'm over here getting the views. I was like, oh, this is gonna be a breeze. It didn't even take me long to edit. Yeah. Then you realize that not all videos will be like that. You may be lucky to or blessed to get those kind of reactions to your videos, but not all of them are going to be like that. But that doesn't mean that you should be discouraged. It does not mean that you're not going to make it. Some videos just do better than others, and that's okay. So right after that, I quickly realized that this is going to be work, and if I'm going to do it, I need to enjoy it. I need to have a passion for it to continue to keep going. How long have you been doing YouTube? I have been doing YouTube, or I should say we have been doing YouTube because it is a family affair, a little less than a year. So it's been a journey. It's been a journey. Pretty Maya also says, how do you like the community? I love the YouTube community. I love those that are genuine and supportive. And I will say that I had no idea that the YouTube community even existed at this magnitude. Like when I used to do modeling, a little acting, and all of that. When I was in that kind of industry, they would say you need to get on YouTube. They also said I need to be a rapper, so I wasn't really listening. But no, YouTube was, I was always on the opposite side of the screen, getting recorded, getting pictures taken, you know, getting all of that, because that's just the industry I was in. So I never really even thought about it. Most YouTubers will say they absolutely love YouTube when they're on YouTube all day. Can't say that's the same for me. Just talking for me. I looked up YouTubes for things like tutorials or like curly hair tutorials. I can watch those all day. That's why I love creating those. That's why I have those in our playlist. Other than that, cooking videos, YouTube in a lot of ways, as well as my mom, have taught me how to prepare meals and things like that, little fun things. And so this community, I'm gonna have to say I love you guys, and it has opened my eyes to a whole nother world that I didn't know existed. Some more questions are coming in. This is a great question. Jennifer G. Family says, have you gotten discouraged during YouTube, and how did you come out of that? All the time, all the time. Always remember why you started. That is how I get out of the funk of being discouraged. Come say hi, they want to see you. Come. She's like peeping her head and like, what are you doing? What are you doing? But she's not coming. Have you gotten discouraged? Yeah. So always remember why you started. Go back to that list of YouTube videos that you made when you wanted to be a YouTuber. And remember that passion and that that drive for YouTube that made you start. So along the way, when you're getting discouraged, it'll pick you back up. And honestly, every time, that's what I do. Or you meet so many people, they might see the potential, but they can't do nothing for you, but they want to sell you a dream. That's what I'm trying to say. But nowadays, all you need is a good beat, right? So yeah, mixtape coming soon. Since I started, a lot of people have DM'd me just asking, random questions. And I do take the time. It's very time consuming to actually help out because I've been there too. I've asked the question too. So I appreciate it when someone helped me. So I make sure I help others. I wouldn't say that I'm a mentor, but it's something, maybe I would like to do at some point. Definitely going to be making more videos. And in that playlist of YouTube tips, tricks, hacks, all of that, you'll be finding out a lot of secrets and in-depth of how I really do things. So I also want to go live editing. I think that'll help a lot of people, and I love to share and learn as I go. So I think that will be coming up in the future. Video on this because I get this question a lot. I work on a to-do list and I cross off my to-do list. Not everything gets done, but time for family is on the to-do. Being happy, thanks to Jennifer G, is on the to-do. And time for me is on the to-do. When I wake up, I start my day with meditation. I have to have that few minutes. My family sometimes gets annoyed with that because nobody can talk to me during those few minutes. Otherwise, I'm cranky as ever. And all of this, like there's so much that goes into play, but balance is key. Okay, Elissia, what do you like best from building your IG and YouTube following? Well, I have a few things in store that you all have motivated me to do. So I guess I would have to say relationship building has to be my favorite thing. And it's weird because this is online, but the community that comes out of YouTube and IG is remarkable. Started off by brand repping on Elissia's page. So brand rep, brand ambassador to brand model to now we're not taking as much deals at this time with the crisis that's going on, but we will pick that back up and we will also be starting something of our own. So I'm really excited about that. It's all in the testing phase, so I don't want to jinx it, but relationship building and just that support system, like that mom group that you kind of feel. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but that's my favorite. YouTube can sometimes feel like a very lonely place. It's like, it's not like anything else, you know. If you're not marketing it or someone's not interested in your video, they're not going to be commenting and liking as freely as they would on Instagram or other platforms. So it's good to always have a really supportive group. After I made a YouTube, I was looking for those supportive groups. And even though I was added to many, they weren't so supportive. I mean, I don't know, you can comment in the chat if this has happened to you, but you know those groups where they're just dropping links? They just drop links like, hey, check out my video, check out my video, check out my video. Like, and nobody's checking out your video. That is what motivated me to make a group of our own. So the group that I created, the Insta Bosses of YouTube. It is a group of YouTubers. We have all different types of channels. That's one of the great things I love about it. And these people support me and support each other on a daily basis. We do have rules because we have structure. It's not just dropping your link, but everyone's channel seems to be growing, and that is what it's about. Genuine support. YouTube is a community. And I know some of them want to come up and say some words.
So, first off, I want to say congratulations again for this 1,000 subscribers.
Thank you, thank you. We wouldn't be here.
Girl, you've been grinding.
We both appreciate you.
Yes, and as far as the group goes, honestly, I've been doing YouTube for 3 years at this point, and I've never had as much growth as I've had in the past 3 months. Like, it's crazy. So I'll say it's been a blessing to meet you virtually and to join the group. Yes, definitely.
Hey, I can hear you guys now.
You hear us?
Yes.
Okay.
Hey.
I think I have to turn this down. Can you congrats for reaching?
Congrats.
Yes,
congrats.
For 1,000 subscribers.
Absolutely.
We love
Thank you both of you.
We love the Spencer family. You guys are amazing. You guys are, you know, we love that you guys are family oriented.
Thank you.
Supportive, like all that good stuff.
All that.
Thank you, and I appreciate you guys too.
And the group, we love the group.
Very supportive.
Very supportive group. We wouldn't be where we are today, you know. The group is everything.
We learn a lot from the group.
Right.
Thank you both.
Okay.